future.
Yes, indeed.
His This Ishwar Chandra Babu. He can prove quite the trouble in the near future.
Yes, indeed.
His works against our tradition and culture might influence the people around us.
That's true.
I'll take care of that.
Here he comes.
I do not agree with you, Ishwar Chandra Babu. People like you are destroying the course of our religion, our traditions.
I do not agree with you and your supporters. Sri Radha Radhakan Tej Bahadur. When the law was passed, it was you who went to the Britishers with a petition asking that the law to be abrogated. You kept the own family away from becoming satis. You wanted the widows of other families to be burnt alive. And now, when the Hindu Widow Act is passed, your friends and your followers, you want the law to be, don't you?
Yeah. I live in heritage and I believe in traditions. It is men like me, belonging to elite families, who are the pillars of ancient civilization in our society. Who are you? A Brahmin from a poor family who has managed to get some education and challenge our beliefs that have been followed for hundreds of years. Who are you to push the Britishers to pass this scandalous when the majority of the society...
You're an educated person yourself, Radha Radhakan. You lecture others on our beliefs, our culture, and our civilization. Yet you do not know that the widow remarriage was sanctioned in our Vedic scriptures. You oppose the remarriage of widows, sitting in this very room and talking how deprived it would be for widows to remarry. Our men, whose wives have died, should have remained as the widowers, just like the widows, for the rest of their life, wearing the chorus white cotton, not the fancy dresses that they are wearing today, shaving off their heads, and giving up on the pulaus and the lamb kuftas which you all had earlier. But thanks to the hospitality of Radha Radhakan, it did not take all those men much time to find a second lady. And two of them sitting here a third time. What a society we live in.
We are Ishwar Babu. We rule. Our roles are different. Our rules are different. Don't you dare lecture how men should lead their lives.
You talked about Vedic scriptures, didn't you, Ishwar Chandra Babu? But there is a difference between learning some Vedic scriptures and lecturing on those and putting them to use in your own life. I believe you have a son who in a few years will be of a marriageable age. Will you marry him to a widow?
Ha 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 ha. Are you mad? At that time, our saintly Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar will quietly look for a fair, beautiful, unmarried young girl from a Brahmin family.
Ha ha ha, isn't it?
Exactly. All these big pious talks of your marriage will flow with the water in the river Hooghly at that time. Ha 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 ha.
It'll be some years, my son Narayan will attain the age of marriage. And when he does, my wife and I will marry him to a widow. That's what we are sworn to do. And when the time comes, I will send invitation to all of you. And Mr. Radha Radhakant, please do come to the marriage and do bless my son. And do remember, the widow will be his wife.